aquí al canal de Moto. Hopefully all you guys are doing great. Welcome back to the channel. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I have had, I think, 3 hours of sleep. I'm tired. I'm not a morning person, and I'm here getting ready for work. One of my coworkers asked me to switch with him, and I gladly said yes. And this always happens. My brain goes crazy, and it's like, okay, don't oversleep, don't oversleep, don't oversleep. And I'm like up all night long. Right now, we're gonna do a quick cold start. I just pulled Luna out of the garage. I'm here in front of my house. That's for sale. If you guys can see, it is currently under contract. So that's been a thing, very stressful thing. It's been insane. So very stressful. I forgot how stressful it is to be doing the whole house thing. It's crazy. So I said, you know what? Today's the perfect day to go ride. I'm gonna go pull out Luna. We're gonna go riding. I got her nice and cleaned up and washed. I also washed my car. So both vehicles got a nice little wash. Let me pull out Luna. Let me go ahead and go for this ride and take her to work because it's gonna be beautiful. 0% chance of rain, supposedly. You know how Florida is. So we're gonna go ahead and do this cold start. It's already on. Let's go. All right. So I know I checked last night. I had plenty of gas, so I'm good to go with that. But let's see what is going on, family. Welcome to the channel. Thank you guys for being part of the Moto family. You guys have been absolutely phenomenal. You guys have been hitting me up on the comments, which is great, which I absolutely love. I've been responding to all you guys. Somebody had asked me, you know, the size of the emblem for 10th generation Civic Si. And someone asked me, you know, because I put an emblem on the actual steering wheel, the red one. I forgot what do you call it. Very quickly realized that cars and bikes, it's either you do cars or you do bikes. Do not like cars. I tried to throw that in the channel. This was, you know, like my little learning curve. When you start doing something new, you learn what's the do's and don'ts of the channel. Those were the don'ts. I think I need to gas up. We're gonna make a stop at the gas station, fill her up, because I do not want to make any stops. I still have time, so let's go. I put some air in the tires, so oh my gosh, she feels so different. I didn't realize she needed that much air. It was only a little bit. But yeah, guys, I'm hoping that all you guys are doing great. And once again, thank you guys for hanging out with me. You guys have been phenomenal. I'm at I last looked and I'm at 820 subs. Amazing. Like I'm in disbelief. So but you guys have been great. Let's go. Woo, she sounds so good. Ooh, green light. Am I gonna reach it? Give me the green lights and give me just one try. Woo, let's go. All right, let's do this cool little oh, somebody popping on some reggaeton. Ready for the morning. I am not ready for the morning at all. Far from it. And then we do the, hey now, let's go. Let's go. This is 15. Authorized pump. Let's go. Go. Thank you for choosing that. Thank you for having me. Let's go to work. Well, guys, like I was saying, yes. But yes, guys, you guys have been amazing with the comments and everything, and just giving your thoughts and ideas and questions and concerns, which is to me pretty dope. I love the engagement. But yeah, you guys can ask away all the questions that you want. So currently, right now, my situation is I'm in the middle of selling this house. It's been a very stressful situation because, you know, you can't live like a normal life. You have to have like the house basically picture perfect ready. So I've had everything in a little bag, from my soaps to my scrubs and toothbrush and everything. Like I have everything, you know, basically I'm living out of a suitcase, kind of, sort of, in a way. That's been my life currently until I move. I'll be back in somewhere in the Orlando area. The problem is the house markets are so high, it's been crazy. So right now, I'm in a situation where I either have to get a house. If I can just get myself into a house, that'd be great. So I shoot from one house to another. But if not, the plan B would be go with, like, get myself into an apartment, which I don't want to do, but it might be the case, so I'm weighing that option out. Plan C would be that if there's a house that's in the process, I'll be staying with a friend until that whole process is completed. And once that part is done, then I'll be able to move forward and get into my own house. So we'll see. I'm not a fan of the whole apartment thing, because then I'll have to get a storage unit somewhere that's going to be detached and far from my place. And yeah, once you get used to having your motorcycle close to you, you know, and your vehicle's basically right there, all right there in very close proximity. You come out of the house, you get into the garage, and boom, you're there. We'll cut the video here, guys, because I'm gonna hit the turnpike, and you can't hear nothing. So you guys have an amazing day. I will catch you guys when I get out of work. Laters. All right, you guys, I am back again. It's afternoon, 3 o'clock. Finished my shift. I have to do the same shift again tomorrow. So I wanted to do a quick moto vlog before I get home, because I'm gonna edit this same video. Today's what, Friday, May 6th. So you will see this in the morning tomorrow at 8 a.m. on May 7th. So with that being said, let's go ahead with another cold start. Afternoon cold start. Haven't started up. I'm just now getting out of work. So yeah, this is my job, guys. You can't see it really. It looks like a factory. But here we go. Damn, that Brent tuning really like brings out a good hum to this thing. As good as it sounds, like it just right off the bat takes care of that high rev startup. Because I don't know if you've seen in my previous videos or even watched any of the other new bikes. If you go back and watch any new bike that's been purchased that hasn't been flash tuned, you can hear that as soon as you start it up, that rev is super high, and this thing sounds smooth right from jump. And this is a cold start. This is a straight up cold start. I've been inside the office all day, and I decided to do a little bit of moto vlogging before I leave. But yeah, I just filled her up with some gas this morning. I went and filled up the tires before I left the house. My biggest stress right now is worrying about this house. Like, the house is gonna sell. I'm not worried about that house. It's the fact that I really want to move into a different house. It would be nice for me to move into a different house, but unfortunately it looks like that's not gonna happen. I might end up in an apartment, and I guess that's basically it. Yeah, guys, that is my story. It's kind of crazy. Okay, let's go. It's kind of windy out right now too. It's going to be an interesting ride. Ooh, Luna feels good. Yeah, it's windy. But yeah, guys, that's my situation. This is going to be a really short video. It's not going to be super long. I will take the time out to let you guys know that I really appreciate each and every single one of you. For those that have been with me and currently with me, thank you so much for you guys following me. You guys have been awesome and amazing. For those of you who are just joining in, thank you so much. Welcome to the channel. And welcome to being a part of the S1000RR Moto family. I really appreciate you guys. I love interacting with you guys. Any questions that you have, I answer them pretty much immediately. Just chatting with you guys, for me it's just, I love stuff like that. I'm a very extrovert person, I guess you would say. At one point I was kind of introvert, but there was some stuff that was going on in my life that led to that. But you know how it is. We tend to change depending on whatever things we're going through in life. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being part of the S1000RR Moto family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Peace.